Paint filling machines are mainly a small category of filling machines. In terms of the degree of automation of production, they are divided into semi-automatic filling machines and fully automatic filling production lines. In terms of the nature of the filling materials, they are divided into explosion-proof filling machines and ordinary filling machines. Filling method: ordinary submersible filling and lifting submersible filling. Application industry: paint, ink, paint, asphalt, glue, lubricating oil, petrochemical, fine chemical, and other liquid, fluid, paste products. Main features: 1. The system filling machine adopts weighing filling with high metering accuracy and is not affected by the material. 2. The feeding valve composed of fast addition and slow addition can not only increase the filling speed but also improve the filling accuracy. 3. The metering range is large and the metering error is small. 4. The filling head adopts an anti-drip device, and the material